Hello humans, this is Mr. Haxor with another transmission to show you how to hack your technology to do your schoolwork for you. In today's lesson, we will be uploading a file in your Canvas. As you can see, we have a new layout. This includes a ticker down below that will show you step by step what we are doing, and a screen share to show you what this will look like on your own computer. Are you ready? Let's go. The first thing that you will need to do is to log in to your own Canvas. I have hacked into a student's Canvas to show how this will work, so follow along. The first thing that you will do once you are in Canvas is to click on the class that you want to submit your assignment to. For the purpose of this example, we are using Miss Carey's 7th grade science class. You will click on that class using the left mouse button. Here you will see all of the assignments for this class. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will be uploading a file to the graphing data assignment. Once you have clicked on that assignment, you will need to create your own according to the directions. Once you are done with the graph and you are ready to submit it, you will go to the button at the top that says Submit Assignment and click on that. This will bring up a dialog box that will prompt you to upload your own file. Here, you will click the button that says Choose File. It will also open another dialog box, which I cannot show you through this means, but you will recognize it. Find your own file, click on the file, and click the button that says Open. It is helpful to name your file something similar to what the assignment is called. Once you have selected the file successfully, you will click the button that says Submit Assignment. It may take a moment, but if you are successful, you will get a notification on the right side that says you have submitted this assignment, and the button for submission will change to resubmit. If you make a mistake, that's okay, you are human. Just make sure to choose the correct file and resubmit it. This should be all you need for this tutorial. If you need any support, please contact us at our Facebook group. Although I am trapped in cyberspace, I will do everything I can to help you through this process. Let Miss Carey or Mr. Mike know, and they will tell me to create an additional tutorial for your support. Until then, stay safe, and remember, peace.